Now let's practice using IIFEs with a simple exercise. Pause the video and try to find a solution yourself. When you are ready, press play to see an example solution. Here's how you might solve the exercise. So let's write an IIFE that logs the sum immediately, parentheses, function with parameters a and b, and let's console log a plus b. And let's call this immediately with arguments 5 and 10. And the output is 15. And here is an IIFE that returns the sum and stores it in a variable. Const sum is an IIFE function with parameters a and b, and it returns a plus b. And let's call it immediately with arguments 5 and 10. And let's console log sum, and the output is 15 again.